Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. I got my morning coffee. We're walking over to the house here from the shack. We did a little bit of the UNDX contest this morning. Band conditions are pretty bad, but I'll tell you, I finally found an advantage to working in the shack here versus going out and doing parks on the air. I don't get as many mosquito bites working in there than I do going out to the field. I'll tell you, the black flies are just terrible here this year. I got a bite on my knee, and my knee swollen up to a size of a football yesterday, but it's gone back down to almost regular size this morning. The casualties of doing portable ham radio in the field. Anyway, I didn't get it from doing that. I got it from just walking about the yard here. So I guess one way or another, doesn't matter. Anyway, on to today's topic. It's another contest weekend. A pretty quiet one. We got the UNDX contest and the Arkansas QSO party. Those are about the two of the main ones. But anyway, a couple tips for all you folks that are thinking about getting into contesting and or working contest stations. Because I get a number of calls every weekend from people that are not technically in the contest, but just want the contact. So a couple things. There's just Coach Stuart giving you some helpful advice. Number one, listen to some of the prior QSOs. Find out what the exchange is. You usually give it away, either a 5-9 with a serial number or a 5-9 with your location. Normally it'll be a serial number and a location. That's about it, really. There's others, but that's about those are the main two. So listen for what the exchange is. Also, when a contest station is calling, so if I'm calling CQ Contest V9CF, you do not need to come back and say, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, this is Kilowatt 5, Romeo Bravo Charlie. You don't have to do that. Just come on and say, Kilowatt 5, Romeo Bravo Charlie. You don't have to give me my call sign. I know my call sign. All I need is yours. And if I miss a part of your call sign, like I say, who's the Kilo 5? Don't come back with your full call sign. Don't come back and say, Kilo 5, Romeo Bravo Charlie. I'll come back. If I need the full call sign, I'll say, what's the full call, please? But if I just say the Kilo 5, all you need to do is come back and say, Romeo Bravo Charlie. Because I already got the Kilo 5. I just need the Romeo Bravo Charlie. And then what I'll do is I'll do Kilo 5, Romeo Bravo Charlie. Is that correct? And then you can say, yes, you're 5-9 into Texas, or 59001. That helps speed up the exchange. Remember, when contesters like me are out doing contests, we're not in for the chitty chat. Now, if I happen to know somebody who calls me, I'll say, hi, how you doing? But that's about it. We're not in for the chitty chat. We're in for making contacts. So those are a couple things that can help you if you're looking in getting into contesting for the first time, or just, like to work the contest stations. After all, we like it when you guys work us too. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We'll see you guys in a future video. Hope this video helps. See you later.